What's up, YouTube? This your boy Cartel here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get monetized on YouTube fast for beginners. Let's get it. If you're new to the channel, definitely sub up. I'm posting daily content, guys, every single day, okay? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you drop those questions in the comment section. Guys, in this video, I want to talk about content creation. Okay, why? Because content creation can be done anywhere on this planet. YouTube wants to monetize you as soon as possible. I promise you. Doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter if you're rich. It doesn't matter if you're poor. It doesn't matter if you're old. It doesn't matter if you're young. YouTube wants you to keep as many people on their platform as possible. And the best way to do that is to create purposeful videos that help people out. You got to think, YouTube is a super huge search engine, okay? So people go to YouTube to look up all kinds of questions and look to fix this and to fix that. So you got to help people out somehow, some way. Find your niche and then take off. It's going to take a while. It's going to take a little trial and error, but you can do it. YouTube is for everybody. I want to encourage everybody listening to this video right now to make the best videos possible, the best content possible. This is the laziest way to make money online. This is the easiest way to make money online. It's to create content that's purposeful and that help people out on a daily basis. Make it evergreen content as well, okay? The first thing I recommend you do is to do your research, okay? Whatever type of content you're trying to make or you think you want to make, you need to do your research first and then try to make that same content but make it better. I promise you, if you make videos, you make content every single day, by the end of it, you're going to be paid way more than you thought you was going to be paid. You're going to be compensated for all the videos and all the time that you put in. But it takes time, okay? Understand the process and enjoy the process. After you finish doing your research, make videos. Just make them about 20 to 30 minutes at least. I would say, of course, you're going to start off with the smaller videos, but just try to make longer and longer videos because that is what's going to pay you the big bucks, and that is what YouTube wants, okay? A lot of people are willing to watch long form content even if it extends all the way up to 6 hours or 12 hours or 22 hours. I've seen them. It works. Just make the best videos you can and then go from there. Every day you need to be on YouTube Studio app and looking at your YouTube numbers and looking at what videos are going viral and what videos aren't. You need to be obsessed with your numbers, but only after you make 100 videos. Then you start editing and then starting tweaking videos and stuff like that. Your goal every day is to get 1% better. And just think about that. Getting 1% better every day for 100 days is only 3 months out. Getting 1% better after a whole year is a whole 365% way better than what you started, okay? You need to understand it's a process, but just doing 1% is going to get the job done. You got to understand, creating content is the best thing that you can do with your spare time. It goes on forever and ever and ever. And when you're gone, content is still going to be here. And you want to be purposeful in the content that you make, because if you make it evergreen content, right, that things that people are going to search up forever, it's always going to be relevant. So you want to, again, don't just post every little crazy thing you can think of. But again, be mindful of the type of content in the videos that you make. These videos can change your life. Again, YouTube is for everybody. It don't discriminate against nobody. YouTube is for everybody. But not everybody's going to put the work in. Not everybody's going to create content like they're supposed to. Not everybody's going to stay consistent. And that's super huge when you're talking about getting monetized on YouTube and getting paid and being a full-time content creator. I believe everybody watching this video could be a content creator full-time. All you got to do is put the time in. And I'll tell you exactly how to do that. Do your research. Create content every single day. And make it long form content. I watch a lot of videos. I watch a lot of content. And I promise you, what I just told you right there, those 3 things, okay? Number 1, do your research. Number 2, create content every single day. 3, be mindful, okay? Make purposeful content. Those are the things that's going to get the job done. I promise you, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, you're going to be like, man, I'm so glad I started making videos when I did. And you're probably going to be upset with yourself that you didn't start earlier. Because I promise you, creating content is in everybody's interest. Everybody can get paid for a long, long time if you put your videos on YouTube, right? And you help people out. But again, a lot of people say they're going to say they're too busy. They can't do it. They don't got enough time. Well, okay. Well, what if I told you if you make 1 video a month is equivalent to how much you're going to get paid every month, right? You get paid for every 1 video you put out, that's 1 check you're going to get. You make an hour, you make a 20-minute video, you're going to get paid for 20 minutes. You make an hour-long video, you're going to pay for an hour. That's how you need to start treating YouTube, because eventually it's going to go that way. And then you're going to be making way more money than you think. I promise you. Because then YouTube is going to take from all your videos and your whole channel. And then you're going to be like, man, I didn't even think about this. I didn't think about that video. That's why I say content's for everybody. It's going to always be relevant. And YouTube is the biggest search engine. So that's why I say YouTube. If you choose anything else, that's you. But what I'm telling you, if you could pick 1 platform, I recommend YouTube. YouTube is going to be around for a long, long time. And everybody listening to this video and watching this video, I recommend you get monetized somehow, some way. The faster, the better. I promise you, it's in your best interest. You can be young and be monetized. You can be old and get monetized. You can do all kinds of things. If you're not creative, fine. Again, do your research. And you don't necessarily have to be that creative. Just post every day. Be consistent. Okay. And be mindful of the type of content that you make. That is going to get the job done. I promise you. I promise you. I've watched many content creators. Many. And my advice to you is exactly what they would tell you. Make videos every day. Make long form content every day. Be purposeful in the videos that you make every day. Okay? This is going to get the job done. This is going to get you out of that 9 to 5. And if you are in 9 to 5, that's like, this is going to get you financial freedom. Because I believe everybody should have financial freedom. They just don't. Right? Or they tell themselves they don't have enough time. And I can promise you, if you create content, you're gonna have all the time in the world. Okay? That's why if you still have the question on how to get monetized on YouTube or how to make money online, and you watch this video, I don't know what else to tell you, because I'm telling you right now what to do. This is the easiest way to make money online. This is the laziest way to make money online. Okay? YouTube monetization is for everybody. Every single body. But not everybody takes advantage of it. Everybody has a YouTube app on their phone. And most people only have like 1 video. And a lot of people obviously have no videos. So it blows my mind because YouTube don't discriminate against nothing. Nobody. It accepts everybody. And you telling me you're not going to get put on? Watch your numbers after 30 days. Watch your numbers after 3 months. Watch your numbers after 6 months. Watch your numbers after a whole year of being consistent. Consistent on your YouTube channel. I promise you, you're going to be very pleased by the numbers that you get. Because this is going to inspire you to make longer videos, better videos. Then you're going to get paid and you'll get even more inspired. And that's what I want to do on this channel. Inspire each and every one of you to make the best videos you can possibly make and get better. Your channel is your brand, right? Blow it up. It's your channel. Get the best you can with what you got. Other than that, I want you guys to sub up to the channel if you got this far. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.